Welcome to CAMFive EMB. I am Caroline, and in this video I will show you how to make a faux leather patch and attach it to a cap mixing laser and embroidery techniques. I will guide you from the design process to the final product.
There is a wide variety of appliques you can make for embroidery projects using different materials. Today we are using faux leather, but if you prefer genuine leather or vinyl, you can use this same process. Let's start by selecting the patch design we're going to work with. This time, we will use the Kansas City Chiefs logo to embroider on a cap. Having decided the design and size, it's time to make the laser cut. If you already have the physical patch, you can skip this part. Place the faux leather into the laser table. Make sure the material and the origin are aligned, and start cutting. We will first use a run stitch to hold the stabilizer to the cap and then trace an outline that matches the size of your patch. Using the satin stitch, create an outline to attach the leather to the cap, and a second satin run to fill the full outline to give the cap a better finish, and that's it. Let's move on to the machine. We're using 2 layers of a stabilizer to hold the patch in place. Place the cap into the right position. Make sure to adjust the stitch length if you need to. Before attaching the patch to the cap, we are going to run a run-on stitch to hold the stabilizer to the cap and mark the area where the patch will be placed. Once you do the outline, put glue onto the back of the patch and place it onto the cap so that it doesn't move, and we will begin the embroidery. Once you are done stitching, take the cap out. Cut the excess thread if you need to. And that's it! You have now embroidered a patch onto the cap.
If you want to know more about the use and the projects you can make with our CAMFive EMB embroidery machines, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more content like this. See you next time!